Hi all, yeah, just the first video here of me doing the roof box repair. So got the kit from DeLorean Go from Aaron in the UK. Comes with these useful sort of 10 pages of instructions here, along with all the bolts, nice sort of stainless steel items here, as well as new bolts here for the torsion bar sort of end plates. So that's those there. So yeah, this is just the first video. So what you do is you basically remove the inner head lining. So you have to lift up this seal here, and then you can access the head lining material here. So gently, basically just pull it down. I just use a flat-headed screwdriver to gently tease it away from the glue. Then it unclips. On the inside here, so really easy. It drops out. Do the same with the other side. Then what you then do is then pull the headline from here, just put it forwards, and then it unhooks it from this hook underneath here. It's really easy, it just drops down, it's underneath there. So that's cool. Then I'll just put that back on again quickly. I just unpeel a little bit just at the end here, that's all as well. Easy. Then follow the instructions. Apart from the fact that I haven't removed this, because I'm not detorquing this bar here. I've sort of read online that you can do it without removing these. So this one here is actually snaps, that's already off. That door there, therefore, is strapped up and broomed up on here. And so this one here I'm leaving as it is, and it's in the highest position it can be. So what I've done is I followed the instructions. So I basically put a piece of tape, as you can see, along here. I put it basically just close to the edge here, same for the middle and the back, and then I just measured it to make sure it is 15mm from basically the edge to the edge of the tape. I then went along, and what I did is I put the markings just in the middle of these pieces here, which you can see here. So directly in the middle here, and just sort of towards the edge of the tape. And that was about 13. I think that was 13 centimeters. Yeah, see 30 to 43 there. About 13 centimeters there. Did the same there. Then followed using say a 2mm drill bit, 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, etc. And it's definitely worth doing that. You know, I wasn't going to go from sort of 2 to 10, but there's no point. You just end up ruining something or cocking something up. So yeah, 2mm in there, 2, 2, 2. Then sort of drill bits over and go for the 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. To get up to that side. So now I've got the bolts. These now the perfect fit. So the 2mm actually, you know, of course, where it's about this long, won't actually go through for the roof panel below. So you kind of do 2, 4, and then about 6. I think it's 6mm. Then that starts to go through the panel below. So you have to obviously make sure you get dead, you know, well, as straight as you can, of course, to go through there. So yep, so that's all looking good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just hoover all up. I'm then going to have a go at removing as much of the sealant as I can around the edges, just using a pick, to, again, as per the instructions from DeLorean Go. And then I'll then look to potentially, I think, squeeze in the sealant, I believe, and then clamp it down. I think that's the gist. And then, of course, tomorrow in daylight I can then cut off the bottom of the bolts from the inside. Okay, so that's the first stage there.